Hey y'all, so I have the Boppy original newborn lounger. And as you can see, it's quite dirty, so I'm gonna wash it. And this whole time I thought, oh, I should have had a cover. You can only spot wash it. And reading on the tag here, it actually says for best results using front load washing machines, use hand wash. And then it says if you are using a top loading machine, wash on delicate cycle. So you know how sometimes if you wash pillows, I usually never do, but I know a couple people that do. And if you put the pillow in the washer, it comes out all crazy and weird and lumpy. So I'm going to do what it says. I have a top loading washing machine and I am going to wash it on delicate. Number one, see if it actually gets clean because it is pretty bad. And number two, make sure that it actually comes out decent. I've never put it in the washing machine before. It's all nice. It's not lumpy. So this is a test and I wanted to put it on video. So let's see what happens. Okay, I'm putting it on delicate, on cold, and I'm filling it up. I think I'm going to put just a little bit of detergent, and then after it starts agitating, I'm going to add maybe one bleach tab, because that is pretty dirty. I think I'm going to also just try to smash that down. Alright, let's see how it turns out. Alright, started to pull it out and I'm like, no, let me get it on video. But here's the moment of truth. It is not lumpy. Looks like amazingly got pretty clean. There's like a little bit of an extra poof here. But I guess if I just smash it down. Yeah, see, it's gone now. Okay, and the other side, pretty good. Like as long as you, I mean, it's really not lumpy at all. And you can just kind of smash it down and then it's easily back to normal. That's amazing because I really thought it was going to come out all lumpy. Okay, so it survived the wash cycle, but will it survive the dry cycle? Let's see. Okay, let's see. Completely dry, completely clean, and it's not all lumpy, so yes, it can be completely washed and dried. And can you believe I had this thing that long and I didn't realize it until now? So please wash them in the washing machine and dryer. Thanks for watching, everyone.